Hey guys, it has been 7 months since I shaved my head and I am looking a little crazy in the back. Kinda hate it. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to trim it up and then if it looks horrific, I may just shave the whole thing again. I don't really know what's gonna happen, so it's gonna be some fun. I'm gonna use an 8 guard because it's the longest I have. I'm kind of curious to see what an 8 guard buzz cut will look like. You might be curious too, so stick around and find out. An 8 guard is 1 inch, so I'm gonna start with that. Disclaimer, I am not a professional, I just have fun on the channel because it's just hair. Do it at home, have some fun, save the money. If it comes out bad, you can always go get it fixed. That's my motto, my friend. It's been a while. What am I gonna do here? Start with the back, because that's the worst. I've been toying with the idea of letting the top grow out a full year so I can have the like 1 year stop motion video kind of thing, but it's really just getting really heavy. It's in my eyes. I feel like, I don't know. I cannot see what's happening at all. How's it looking? Okay. How's it looking? I have no idea. What am I doing? What am I doing? No idea. No idea. But it's fun. I don't know. Let's see here. Covered in hair. All right, I'm like kind of satisfied with how that came out. Not a bowl cut. I don't know. Decent. I think I'm gonna keep the top for now, and now I just switched to a 2 guard to get the back. Remember, I'm not a professional, but I have watched a couple of videos, thanks Brad Mondo and others, and you kind of like do this sweeping motion to kind of like fade out of the shave, if that makes sense. How'd that do? Let's take a look. All right, I'm kind of here for it. Maybe I should do like an in-between. I don't know. Every time I'm like, Heather, you should stop while you're ahead, and then I keep going and it could get worse, it could get better. I don't really know what to do here. Getting sweaty though. I've removed the guard completely, and now I'm just gonna trim up the very bottom, which is kind of a werewolfy mess down there. Now, this is the only mirror I have, which is like, why have I not purchased a really nice mirror with all these haircuts I'm doing at home? I don't know. That'd be too easy, right? Oh my God. And I've put some paper towels in the sink so that hair doesn't go down the drain. Pro tip. Oh, this is so hard. I can't see. Honestly, this lasts like a day, maybe a week. It's like, who cares? I'm kind of shocked at how much hair I actually took off. Oh my goodness, and it's all bleached, horrible condition hair. Oof. I kept all this top mess, because why not? I may come back and shave this off in another day or two for another video. But for now, I trimmed it up. I think I did a good job, right? I mean, it's not a bowl cut, right? What do I think? Did I trim up my pixie all right with the clippers? Let me know in a comment below, and make sure you subscribe for more hair fun, and watch my other videos. I've done a ton of colors, a ton of cuts on myself and my kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.